The Summer Discovery Institute for the Gifted provides talented, highly proficient students with an unforgettable immersive learning experience, creating lifelong friends and exploring the subjects you love most. With more than 40 courses offered at premier universities across the United States, students will push beyond the boundaries of their knowledge, expand their abilities, and engage in creative, active learning through a dynamic, individually curated gifted academic experience. Explore the vast potential of artificial intelligence or the limitless possibilities of creative robotics. Expand artistic limits, developing graphic novels or mastering manga and anime. Harness the financial power of stocks and bonds, unlock the genetic code, or unravel the mysteries of time travel. Our programs allow students to explore the paths that feed ambitions. And not only are programs diverse, but they're also highly flexible, allowing gifted students to customize their ideal course schedule, perfectly suited to their interests and grade level, from high school to lower elementary. But it's more than just academics. Summer Discovery programs focus on enhancing the whole person, building confidence within a community of like-minded peers, experiencing the independence of college dorm living, seeing new cities through off-campus activities, and building new friendships along the way. This summer, elevate your knowledge, confidence, and skills through an experience like no other. At Summer Discovery Institute for the Gifted, you'll not only find a place where you belong, but leave with a newfound sense of empowerment and a curiosity that will continue to fuel your passion for learning long after the summer ends. Learn more at summerdiscovery.com.